Weatherbell Analytics meteorologist Joe Bastardi, a whether or not on what I do think is going to be Hurricane Dorian. Dorian, what is it? Dorian, yeah, once it reaches Florida. And that's over the Labor Day weekend. And here was our forecasted path this morning with this. And, we may see it come a little bit further south, but this is where it should reach maximum intensity. And it's that bend back of the track to the west over there. Those often are accompanied by intensification. So that is something that we are all over here. And I just wanted to update you on it. We've always said that this would be stronger out here rather than in the Caribbean. We never had this becoming a hurricane in the Caribbean, but we are concerned by Florida. It's a Category 1 hurricane. I guess it could go to a Category 2. The overall pattern right now, folks, is very, very tough for the Atlantic Basin. I'm going to get to that in a moment. 2 years ago in the preseason, we had an above normal season forecast, and the activity where we thought you'd see the most activity was here. It's 2017. Look what happened. Not bad, right? And this is last year. Notice how they avoided this year, and we had the red zone in here. All right, so you had Alberto, Gordy, Michael, Florence, Chris went through there. Almost all the storms went through there at one time or the other, and the three that tried to come through here just died, right? Kirk, Beryl, and Isaac died, all right? So this was what we do is we try to tell folks what's going to happen. Now, this year, we had a lower than average year in here relative to the averages. We couldn't identify a red zone. We've had Barry, we've had Andrea, we've had Chantel, we've had Dorian. But Dorian, even though it's coming through here, will be stronger up in here away from the main development region. So, and then we're going to probably have this TD6 go off. So you can see, again, this area is being avoided. But unlike last year, because we said, okay, well, there's going to be scattershot development. We're one here, one over here, one over here, one over here, maybe one or two in here. We didn't identify a red area. We just tried to let people know where it would be below relative to averages. Remember, this area gets a lot of hurricanes, and most of the time this year we think that's not going to be the case. Well, that's it for now. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got.